Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add admin to Instagram account. So for this purpose, first you need to open Instagram app on your mobile device. Then at the bottom right corner, you have your profile icon, click on it. Then your profile page will appear on your screen. Here at the top right corner, you have these three horizontal lines, tap on it. Then settings and activity page will appear. Here you have the section for professionals. In this section, you have this option creator tools and controls, tap on it. Then this creator page will appear. Here you have this option connect to a Facebook page, tap on it. Then this option will pop up. Here you need to tap on continue. Then on this page at the bottom you have this option log into Facebook. You simply need to tap on it. And for logging in your Facebook account, just tap on continue. And here you need to connect your Facebook page. So here you can see my two Facebook pages are already connected with my two Instagram accounts. So here I create new Facebook page for this Instagram account. Once you have done with this, then what you need to do, go to your Facebook app. Then in Facebook app at the bottom right corner, you have this menu button. You simply need to tap on it. Then at the top, you can see your name. Here you have these three dots. You need to tap on it. Then this page will pop up. Here select that Facebook page which you have connected with your Instagram account. Then here what you need to do, click on menu button. And here at the top right corner, you have this setting here. You need to tap on it. Then settings and privacy page will appear. Here you need to scroll down. Then in audience and visibility, you can see this page setup option. You simply need to click on it. Then here in page setup, you have this page access option. Click on it. And from here, you can add admin to an Instagram account. From here, you can give access to anyone and make them admin. So it's very simplest and easiest way to add admin to Instagram account. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.